Hi, welcome back. This is a St. Louis Art Supply mystery box unboxing. The price was quite reasonable. I paid around $23 plus $7 shipping. It came in this gorgeous iridescent box. It's always a risk to buy a mystery box. It's often a good way for companies to get rid of overstock products. I figure I didn't pay too much, so it wasn't a big risk. I also bought a bookmark painting set with 3 half pans of Schminkel watercolor, but we'll look at it some other time. Now let's take a look at this mystery box. It was my first time buying a mystery box from them. Here we see another say no sticker. This would not be a good sign, right? And then we have a Uni-Ball Signal gel pen in light blue color. I love gel pens, and Uni-Ball makes excellent pens. Nothing impressive, but at least it can be useful. Next, we have a Sailor Shikori dual tip brush pen. This is one of the best if you worry about your pen bleeding through your notebook pages. I already have a full set of this pen, so I do love getting it. These are Primo crayons. They look like something for kids. Are these good? Have you tried this before? Sometimes it's good to try something different from a mystery box. But I'm not sure if I like this box seeing other items in the box. They may be great, but they may not be something I would use. I probably would use this eraser though. It feels soft. I think it's a good quality eraser. This is a bottle of liquid for you to use when you do oil painting. It slows down the drying process. Unfortunately, I don't see myself trying oil painting anytime soon. Overall, I think this mystery box has value, but depending on your preferred medium, you may end up with useless items. For example, this is a big tube of oil paint. It may be worth $50, but if you don't do oil painting like me, it's kind of pointless. Oil painting is not accessible unless you purchase a full set of materials. I just don't see myself getting into oil painting. And then here's a tube of Holbein watercolor in sepia color. I do like this item since I haven't tried their watercolor yet. This is a black marker pen. I'm not familiar with it. It says anywhere anytime marker and is made in Japan. I'm not excited about receiving an alcohol marker because I know they may dry up anytime. So this is a Pilot Razor Point felt tip pen. It's in green color. I'm not sure what to say about it. I guess I'll use it in my journal. At least I do love green color. And we also have a plastic tube in the box. Maybe I can use it to store charcoal sticks. I'm not sure. After I tried to empty out the box, I found a pen nib in it. It's a browser calligraphy nib. And this is the last item in the box. It seems interesting and I probably will try to write with it. I'm glad I got the opportunity to purchase their mystery box. The items are worth more than the price I paid. However, in terms of the items I can use, it's probably not worth it since I don't do oil painting. At least someone out there will be happy to see the oil paint at Goodwill. Thanks for watching. Bye.